Kirima kiria kirari mbere ya uteti wa kaunti ya Meru kirombete uritu wa iguru wa giturwa kia ũngabana kuria minister wa urimi Peter Munya na Ngabana wa Meru Kiraitu Murungi mareregeirwo kumburana na guthimana icoka uteti-ini wa githurano kia mwaka uyu. Hindi muthia-ini wa uhoro Munya arateanire mĩto ya ũkanarũgama ta Ngabana wa Meru.
This point in time, the best strategic decision I can make is not to go and run for Governor of Meru. So in other words, I'm saying I will not be running for the position of Governor of Meru in the coming elections.
So if my brother has made my life easier, then it's a gift to me from God. So I want to thank him and promise that we are going to work together.
Kiraitu ri okoretwa kenjera meri yake kugerera kiama giake kia Mbas augite ni agitana ihumuka inene thutha wa itua ria Munya amuriu hinya mecire na utonga wake uria aregereire kuerekeria kihitaitiro-ini giki agucihuthira kuhumba miruriri mweru anyitite ugeni Munya marutithanie wira nake.
So for me as governor, and who was expecting him as my main competitor, I must say congratulations and thank you to him. We had planned a very elaborate campaign, and you've heard me say before, because this is going to be my last campaign, I was going to draw everything into it to ensure that I win again.
Ona gutuika Munya na kiama kiria arumagerera gia PNU ni atuite itua riri ni arutite mukana wa ukana kunyita mbaru mundu wothe utari na muoroto wa kunyitana na mbutu ya Azimio la Umoja akiugona reje ya utongoria wa Meru hinya wa mururumo wake no igue kiagitu itua ria kurarama.
Kwa hivyo wale wanatafuta kiti ya Ngabana Meru, kama kuna yule atatafuta ambaye hatakuwa kwa Azimio, ni vizuri ajue sitakuwa naye. Ndio kama kuna mtu anafikiri kwa sababu siombi kiti nitakaa tu hivi. Nitakuwa huko. Hata weekend hii niko huko Meru.
This gives us an opportunity to work without stress to make Meru great.
Kiraitu ugite no wende muno Munya heo mweke wa giturwa kinene thirikari-ini na kuria rumiriri yake manyitanire na Mbas kwagirithia riri wa Meru.
So sisi tuko tayari kufanya kazi, including with the CS himself and his supporters. So we have no conditions. We are welcome.
We have absolutely no problem. Our doors are open. We are not trying to antagonize anybody. We are asking the supporters of Nyuma. The bus is very big. Let them come.
Gukinyagia muthenya wa ira maabitha ma gukinya o 10 kaunti-ini ya Meru ni marandikite marua ma gutiga wira harani hamwe na murugamiriri wa aruti a wira kaunti-ini iyo CEC na arugamiriri a icigo igiri cia ubunge gatagati-ini kangi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.